So hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and in this video I am going to uh, have an exciting showdown between two of the most powerful AI languages models in the world. In the first corner we have ChatGPT, and in the other challenger we have Google BARD. Get ready for an epic battle of the natural language processing. Let's dive into it. So first of all we will start with the introduction. So ChatGPT and Google BARD. Okay. So ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. It's an advanced language model that can carry out conversation with users and generate human-like responses. On the other hand, we have Google Bard, an comprehensive AI language model created by Google, known for its text generation capabilities in the domain of poetry and storytelling. So let's get started. Let's start the second round with the I will give some of the questions to both of the AIs and see the responses. So let's get started with the question round. So I have already categorized some of the questions to save our time. So let's get started. So first of all, we will start with some of the general questions. Let's get started with the introduction of both of them. So as you can see, it's saying it's a model developed by OpenAI. My purpose is to assist and provide information on a wide range of topics. Whereas Google Bard is saying I am a large language model known as conversational AI or chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. Now let's go ahead quickly with the next question. So as you can see, both of the model have given the appropriate answers in this case. Now let's go ahead with the second question. What set you apart from the other AI models? Let get pretty impressive. Both of the model have introduced themselves very well. Now let's get go ahead and ask the next question. How do you generate responses? What is the process behind it? So I can see in this case ChatGPT is giving a bit better of response because it's explaining the technical aspects like tokenization, context understanding, probability and predictions kind of things. Whereas BART is giving some generic answer like I receive question to the prompt, I understand the meaning of the questions. Now let's go next move to the next question. How do you learn and improve your capabilities over time? Okay, so we can see chat gpt basically depend upon the fine tuning on the previously trained model and on the user feedback, whereas google bard is trained on the massive dataset. Same case is with chat gpt also. It can access the real world information from google search, which chat gpt can't do. Okay, and it's constantly being upgraded by the google engineers, of course, as it is a google product. Now how do you see the field of ai language in the future? Let's ask the future of the ai from my ai. In this case also I can see better response from chat gpt. Now let's go ahead and change the category of the questions. Now we'll ask some of the conversational questions that will test the conversational abilities of both of them. One, two. So both of them are saying that they are able to carry out a conversation on a general topic. Okay, so Now let's ask some of the questions. First question is, how do you ensure that your responses are relevant and engaging? So that's a quite important questions. Let both of them answer. So chat GPT is once again giving a like more technical answer. Now next question is, what is your approach to handling ambiguous or unclear questions? Let's stop the response and ask the question from both of these. So I can see some of the repeated answers from Google BARD, which is not is the case with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is understanding the questions and giving the relevant information to us. Okay, now let's go ahead and start with the creative writing. So we will test the writing skills of both of the AIs. So let's get started. First, let ask that they can generate a story based on a prompt or not. So I'm still waiting for the response from the BARD. It's a bit slow. Yeah, so both of them can answer or generate a story based on a given context. Okay. Now, can you create unique and memorable settings and description in your writing? Let's ask this question. Okay. Now let's some of the like more interesting question. I will ask like, write a poem on nature, and now let's hit enter here also. So in some of the questions, Google Bard is a bit faster because it can access the internet, so it's processing the information quite like easily. So both of them have written the poem, and you are the judge. Which poem is the which poem is good? Okay. Now let's go ahead and ask some of the uh, domain specific questions. So my first question will be, what are the some of the specific domains or topics that these AIs excels? So what they are expert in? Let ask from them only. Let me scroll down. So as you can see, response from ChatGPT is science and technology, history and social science. Then we have general knowledge. Then we have literature and arts, personal development, and response from BARD is bit limited like NLP, computer vision, machine learning, and AI only. So next question will be, how do you ensure the accuracy and reliability on of your responses on the specialized questions? Let's ask from both of them. So I'm getting this repeated answer from BARD once again, and ChatGPT is again giving the technical aspects. And so these were some of the questions which we asked from the both of the AIs. Who emerges as the winner? It depends on what you are looking for. If you want to seek information on social science, history, or some of the other domains, ChatGPT is a better options. But if you want uh, to explore the real realms of the poetry and capitative storytelling, Google BARD is the answer. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Until next time, bye bye.